Hi guys, if you want to know how to look like this from this, then keep on watching. So, we are going to start off with the mighty bare face, and if I haven't introduced myself, hi, my name is Divya. So let's put our hair behind and start with concealer. So this is the Swiss Beauty concealer. It is highly affordable and it is high coverage, very smooth and creamy. I absolutely love this concealer. So I'm just gonna use very little amounts on the places that I require, and this amount of concealer is enough for your entire face. Like, not even kidding, this is so blendable and little is enough in this case. And it is, I think, for around 149 or 199. Like, it's so damn affordable. So I'm just gonna use my fingers and blend the concealer into my face. So a blend, and yeah, just spreading the concealer all over my face, not only the areas that I applied it on. And you can see the amount of shine that it's giving to my face. It's so damn good. Then I'm taking a foundation brush and making sure the concealer is well in place and kahin se bhi kuch bhi dikh nahi raha and I don't look like a ghost, and just taking it down my neck as well. Now I'm taking the Fit Me compact powder and setting the areas where I just concealed. Basically I'm setting my entire face because इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी है और बहुत पसीना आता है मुझे. So I'm just gonna set my smile lines and everywhere where I think the concealer would crease. Also my neck as well with the sponge that comes in with the powder. Next I'm using the Sugar contour blush and highlight palette, and I'm gonna use this for my eyes because I'm going for a very subtle nude look and you probably can't even see, but अभी धीरे धीरे हम जब लेयर करेंगे तो आपको दिखाई देगा. I'm just using the contour shade on the outer parts of the eye, like concentrating on the outer parts and then dragging it in. Then I'm taking the blush shade. I'm taking the blush shade and putting it on the inner part of my eye and taking it outwards. Like, you understand what I'm doing, right? So you just have to layer it according to your preference. I'm just going for a very subtle look. Then I'm taking the highlighter and highlighting the inner corner of my eyes and using the same highlighter to put on my lids as well. Like, I started putting it on my center and then I was like, छोड़ो यार, पूरे आँखों पे डाल दो. After that, I am using a blush and just putting it on my cheeks in upward direction. It provides a very good lift to your face. And also applying it on my nose because that's the most important area for me to look fresh, healthy, glowy, like you are a very good person. Next I'm taking highlighter and putting it on my face. Like, iski zarurat nahi thi, but anyways I am a highlight lover, so I'm doing that. Next up, back to the eyes, taking a kajal pencil and lining my waterline. I'll look very scary, but yeah, after that I'm going to do the most dangerous part that a human being can do, and that is tight lining your eyes. Like, oh, I look so dangerous. Anyways, try not to poke yourself and tight line your eyes. And then we have to move on to our eyebrows. I'm using the Wet n Wild eyebrow kit. Do not recommend this kit at all. Like, it is very difficult to work with it. Nykaa पे इसके इतने अच्छे reviews थे, but for me it just doesn't seem to work. It's a lot of work. And इससे पहले मैं Nykaa की pencil use कर रही थी, the Bewitched Chestnut, and it was so damn good, you guys. But now I have to deal with this palette anyways. So yeah, just filling in my brows and then moving back to my eyes and putting on mascara. Like, I don't know why I did not do my eyes in one go, but guys, mascara is my favorite. Like, if you have a mascara and a blush, you don't need anything else. So my beginners out there, just get a mascara and a blush and you would look like you've put in so much effort on your face when you clearly haven't. So yeah, just putting on mascara on my lashes. And after that, I am going to take this contour stick from K Beauty and going to slightly contour my nose. This contour stick is so creamy and so blendable. I absolutely love it. So just taking a flat brush and slightly contouring my nose, nothing too fancy. बस मेरा मन कर गया कि इसे use कर लेती हूँ एक बार. And my nose does look like I have done something to it. So I'm just gonna take the contour up and down and look at my nose. Something just happened there. Just a little contour, nothing too fancy. Next up, I'm gonna move to my second favorite part, which is the lipstick, of course. So this lipstick is really nice. It suits my skin tone and my lip tone so well, but I thought it was too pink for this look, so I'm just gonna take the contour shade from the Sugar palette and dust it on my lips to tone the lipstick down a little. So with that, we complete this easy peasy makeup look, and it is so damn good. You can carry this on any festival with any ethnic look or even for a western look. I'm gonna recreate this on Rakhi as well, and if you also do, make sure you tag me on my Instagram, which is linked below. And I absolutely love this. Also, the jewelry that I'm wearing is from Ever Stylish. You can check it in my Ever Stylish haul. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so fun to film a makeup video after so long. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.